Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank each of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell button so that you can be notified when a new video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or in the internet. In today's episode of the Know Your Body segment, we will elaborate on the structure of the nervous system of the human body. The nervous system of the human body is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, sense organs, and the nerves that connect these organs with the rest of the body. Working together, these organs regulate the communication among the body parts. All types of communications within the nervous system are carried out with the help of two classes of cells, namely the neurons and the neurona. The neurons, also known as the nerve cells, communicate within the body by transmitting electrochemical signals. There are three types of neurons. The first is the sensory neurons. They transmit sensory signals from body parts to the central nervous system. The second is the motor neurons, transmit signals from central nervous system to the body parts. The third is the interneurons. It is a network within the central nervous system that integrates information received from the sensory neurons and directs the function of the body through the motor neurons. The neurolia, also known as the glial cells, act as helper cells in the nervous system. Each neuron in the body is approximately surrounded by 6 to 60 neurolia. They protect, feed, and insulate the neurons. The neurons need such protection because they are specialized cells that do not reproduce. They are essential for body function and vital to maintaining a functional nervous system. Now, let us talk about the division of the nervous system. The nervous system is divided into two, the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system. The peripheral nervous system includes all parts of the nervous system except the brain and the spinal cord. It is constituted of the sensory nerves and the sense organs. They survey conditions inside and outside the body and send information to the central nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is further divided into somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is the only consciously controlled part of the peripheral nervous system. It includes all voluntary motor neurons and has the duty of stimulating the skeletal muscles in the body. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary and subconscious activities of the body parts, such as the visceral muscle tissue, cardiac muscle tissue, and glandular muscle tissue. It includes all involuntary motor neurons. The autonomous nervous system is further divided into the sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions and the enteric nervous system. The sympathetic division of autonomous nervous system forms body's fight or flight response to stress, danger, excitement, emotions, exercise, and embarrassment. It increases respiration and heart rate, releases adrenal and other hormones, and decrease digestion to cope with these situations. The parasympathetic division of the autonomous nervous system forms body's rest and digest response when body is relaxed, resting, or feeding. It works to undo the work of the sympathetic division after a stressful situation. It decreases respiration and heart rate, increases digestion, and permits elimination of wastes. The enteric nervous system regulates digestion and function of the digestive organs. It receives signals from the central nervous system through both the sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions of the autonomous nervous system to help regulate its function. It often functions independently without input from outside. Hence, it is called the brain of the gut or body's second brain. It is a large system containing as many neurons as the spinal cord. The second major division of the nervous system is the central nervous system. The brain and the spinal cord form the central nervous system. It is the control center of the body where information sent from the peripheral nervous system is evaluated and decisions made. The central nervous system takes in all conscious and subconscious sensory information from body sensory receptors in order to be aware of body's internal and external conditions. Then it uses the sensory information to make decisions about conscious and subconscious action, thereby maintains body's homeostasis and ensures its survival. The central nervous system takes care of higher functions such as language, creativity, expression, emotions, and personality. A person's consciousness as an individual and the determination as to who he is depend on the central nervous system, particularly on the brain. In the next video of Know Your Body segment, we will continue our analysis of the nervous system by spelling out the functions of the nervous system. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.